Welcome to this second video in the series. In the first video we saw how you remove your old car tyres from the rim. In this video I'm going to show you how to fit your new car tyres to the rim. Before starting this job, it's a really good idea if you wrap your tyre irons in something. This prevents the tyre irons from scratching your new rims. I know you can buy proper rim protectors for this job. However, all I did was cut up some old bicycle inner tubes and slide them over the tyre irons. This worked really well, as I did not even have one scratch at the end of the job. The following clip demonstrates how I prepared the tyre irons. Before attempting to fit your new tyres, it's a good idea to apply some tyre grease. This will make the job much easier. However, I did not have any tyre grease, so I simply used washing up liquid, which worked really well. This step isn't mandatory, but it will make your life easier if you can secure the wheel to something while you're getting the first side of the tyre on. In my case, I bolted the wheel to a weightlifting power rack. To fit the second side of the tyre, I'm going to unbolt the wheel, as I'm going to be placing the wheel on the ground and standing on the tyre while I work my way around the wheel with tyre levers. This is often the part that people find the trickiest. However, I think the reason for this is they don't apply constant pressure by standing on the tyre towards the back while working round with levers. If you make sure you stand on the back of the tyre, applying constant pressure, and work your way around with levers, the tyre will go on very easily. This is the first time I had done this job, and I've deliberately not edited any of the video out. And as you can see in the following footage, the whole procedure only took a few seconds. That's my first ever tyre that I've fitted onto a rim. As you can see, it was a really easy job. I'd even go as far as to say it's easier than fitting a bicycle tyre. In the end, I managed to get the final part under 30 seconds for the remaining tyres that I fitted. However, I wanted to show you this video, as this was my first tyre, and as you can see, somebody that's never done this before, it's a really easy job. I'd really encourage anybody to have a go at this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out my other videos in the series. In the final video, I show you how to inflate the tyre and how to seat the bead.